Imagine the silence, broken. The machine you trust, the helper, the tireless worker, suddenly becomes the threat. It's not science fiction anymore. In the heart of China's technological revolution, the glitches are getting dangerous. People are getting hurt. Is this just mental fatigue or the dawn of something terrifying? Zhuzhou, Hunan Province, December 2018. Deep inside a sprawling porcelain factory, a man named Zhou works his shift. Around him, giants of steel perform their automated ballet, predictable, reliable, until it wasn't. Without warning, a catastrophic failure. A multi-ton robotic arm tears loose from its mounting. Time slows. Below it, Zhou looks up. It crashes down. But it's worse than just the weight. Those spikes, designed to grip porcelain find flesh, 10 brutal points of impact, spearing Zhou's arm and his chest. Pinned, helpless, trapped by the machine. He survived. Hours of surgery to remove the metal shards. But the scars aren't just physical. Imagine that moment. The truss shattered, replaced by cold, hard, malfunctioning steel. What would you do, trapped like that? Fast forward. Technology marches on. Robots are leaving the factories, walking among us. Tianjin, Lunar New Year, 2025. A celebration of tradition and progress. Unitree Robotics showcases its H1 humanoid, designed to be helpful, friendly, maybe even a companion. It moves with uncanny grace. Spectators gather, curious. One person reaches out, a simple gesture of interaction, and the robot lunges. Not a handshake, but a violent swing. Staff intervene instantly. No one is physically touched, but the crowd recoils. The illusion of control shattered. The official explanation? A glitch, a sensor error. Easy words, but witnesses saw something that felt intentional, a machine mimicking anger. How do you explain that away? It happened again. Another festival. Taishan, Guangdong. Another Unitree H1. This time, the video goes viral. The robot walks smoothly towards the barrier, stops before an elderly woman. Then, a sudden sharp lurch forward, head dipping as if to headbutt. It stops inches from her face. Malfunction? A trip? Or something else? The ambiguity is terrifying. 2 incidents. Same model robot, same unpredictable, aggressive movements in public. The company blamed remote control issues, programming bugs, but the fear is real. What happens when the glitch doesn't stop short? So, what is happening here? Are these isolated malfunctions tragic, terrifying, but ultimately just complex machines breaking down? Or are we seeing the first hints of something deeper, something emergent in the complex AI taking root in these machines?